Hey guys, welcome to Kannis classes Concept Simplified just for you. This is UGC Net JRF series. Well, if you are a postgraduate student or a fresher with a passion to teach in colleges, then you have to clear your net exams. If you are preparing for net exams and in search of a good learning source, then you are in the right place because this series is exclusively for you. In this video, I'm going to share some basic information about NetJRF exams and many more such useful informations, timely updates about NetJRF exams, net syllabus related simplified lectures, previous year question paper discussions and mock test and a lot more are yet to come in this series. So if you are a net aspirant, then immediately subscribe to Kannis classes and press the bell icon nearby so that you will get a notification whenever I post a video. Watch this video till the end, and if you like it, then don't forget to click the like button and share with your friends. Come, let's move on to the video. To start with, we know NET is National Eligibility Test and JRF is Junior Research Fellowship. On clearing NET exam, you get a certificate that says that you are eligible to hold the assistant professor post anywhere in India. Whereas by clearing JRF exam, you get both NET certificate as well as the scholarship to pursue your higher studies. Now, many may ask whether NET and JRF are two different exams. No, they are not. Both NET and JRF have the same syllabus and you need to prepare once and sit for the exam at one time. To understand more about NET and JRF, let's see the difference between the two. First one is cutoff mark. It is set by the people who conduct the exam and this varies for every time and for each subject. For example, say for English subject, if this time they set 68 mark as cutoff for the NET and 70 as cutoff mark for the JRF, and in case if your score is between 68 to 70, then you get the NET certificate, whereas if you score 70 and above, then you get both NET certificate and JRF. So just make a note, JRF have the dual benefits and the cutoff mark for the JRF will always be higher than the NET. And when we speak about the validity, for NET exam it is for lifetime, whereas the validity for JRF exam is only till 3 years. That means you have to start the research activity within the 3 years from the publish of the results, failing of which your JRF scholarship will become invalid. But if you have started the research work and it is proceeding good, then after a period of time, your JRF will get converted into SRF, that is Senior Research Fellowship. Also, let's see about the people who conduct this exam. As the title says, the NTA UGC conducts the exam. UGC is University Grants Commission and only they were conducting the exams before the entry of NTA. And now NTA, that is National Testing Agency, a new organization that is formed by the government, take care of all the competitive exams in India like NEET, JEE and others. And our NET JRF exams are also coming under this. Moving on to the subjects, UGC conduct NET exams for almost 81 subjects in arts and science. That includes many regional language subjects like Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and science subjects like physics, chemistry, life science, home science, political science and the list goes on. You can check the UGC website to know more about the 81 subjects in which they conduct the exam. And please note, you have to write the NET exams only in the specialization of your subject in post-graduation. Now, what if the subject of your specialization is not given among the listed 81 subjects? In that case, you have to give your exam in any one of the given subject that is very much related to your subject of specialization in your post-graduation. Moving on to the eligibility, first comes the academic qualification. If you belong to general category, then you should have 55% of mark in your post-graduation and If you belong to SC, ST, OBC or person with disability category, then you should have 50% of mark in your post-graduation. No rounding off is allowed means that if you get 54.75% and round it off to 55, in that case you are not eligible to appear for the net exams. The mark should be full 55% or more than that. One more thing, in the case of candidates who write the exam during their final year of post-graduation, they cannot fulfill this qualification eligibility. In that case, they can write the exam, but even if they clear the net exam, their certificate is considered as provisional and they have to submit the proof of passing the exams with the required percentage of marks given within 2 years of the publication of their net results. When we see the age limit, for net there is no age limit, means that you can write the net exam at any time. Even if you are in your 50s or 60s, you are eligible to write your net exam. But for JRF, there is age limit. If you are a male, you can write the exam only till 31 years of age. And for women and SC, ST, OBC and person with disability category, they get an age relaxation of 5 years and they can write the exam till 36 years of age. In that case, only male in general category have 31 years as age limit, whereas all others have the age limit of 36 years to appear for the net JRF exams. Now, let's have a quick look on the other age relaxations. If you have spent certain years of time in research, particularly in the field of your post-graduation, in that case, you can get age relaxation of 5 years. Also, you get age relaxation of 5 years if you belong to ex-serviceman category, and people who possess a LLM degree, they get a 3 year of age relaxation. Next is about reservations. As the tabular column says, for general category, there is no reservation. For SC category, it is 15%. For ST, it is 7.5%. For OBC, it is 27%. And economically weaker section, it is 10%. And for the person with benchmark disability, they have 4% of reservation in all these categories. Details about the application fees. For general category, the application fees is 1000 rupees. For OBC, it is rupees 500, and for SC, ST, person with disability and transgender, it is rupees 250. Filling up of the application and the mode of fee payment, everything is only through online. Now, details about the exam centers. There are about 224 exam centers in India, and among those centers, 15 are in Tamil Nadu. I have listed the cities in Tamil Nadu where the exams are getting conducted. While filling the application form, you will be asked to give center preferences, which is a must. And you can give your place of living as the first preference, your hometown as the second preference, or places nearby as third and fourth preference as you wish. Regarding the exam dates, usually UGC conduct the exam twice a year, and that is in June and December. You may get the details of the important dates and the last date of filling in application and other exam details at least 2 months before the exam, and you can watch that in the official website of UGC. The December 2020 exam was not conducted due to the COVID pandemic, and they merged both December 2020 exam and June 2021 exam, and that exam got over only by last month, that is November 2021. To get details about the coming session of Net JRF exam, that is in June 2022, we need to check the website regularly for the announcement. To get know about that, you subscribe to Kannis classes and press the bell icon nearby because I will be updating all the details regularly in this channel. Mode of exam. The exam is computer-based test. In the exam center, you will be given with a computer. You need to click the right answers for the question and click the submit button, and that's over. Don't forget to take the printout of the admit card that will generate while you are filling the application, which is a must to take to the exam center. Next is the duration and pattern of the exam. It is a 3-hour exam with paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is a common paper for all 81 subjects, and that includes topics like teaching aptitude, research aptitude, communication, data interpretation, and it goes. Paper 2 is full of your subject oriented questions, and it is a full and full of your subject of specialization in your post graduation. All questions will only be in objective type, and you need to choose the best option. It is so simple as that. Well, these are all the basic information I wanted to share with you. In the next video, I plan to give an overview about the syllabus, more about the question pattern, and to explain about the units in paper 1, which is a common paper for all the subjects. Also, I have listed a few FAQs and answers related to NET JRF exams, which I plan to include in that video. If you have any queries, do write it in the comment box. I will try to include and answer those questions too. So that's all, friends. Hope this video is useful to you. If you find it informative, then like it and share with your friends. To support to Kannis classes and drop a comment on how you feel about this video. See you all in next video. Bye for now. Thank you.